Hi everybody, this is Umar from Tutorials Hub. Today we will be discussing about how to create issue in Jira. So before we begin, consider subscribing to our channel and donate using the link in the description. To create an issue, we have this create and plus icon onto your Jira, and you're going to be heading over to that and type a summary for the issue. This could be related to what type of issue it is, logging, your description, date, and how it could be reproduced. And then once you enter all of that type of issue, you're going to be filling all the fields. Like for example, you're going to be changing the configure fields and select the deselect field you want. And to create project type issue, you can click on another checkbox and stuff like that. Once you're finished, click on create, and eventually that will be wrapping up our process. So that is it for this video, guys. Subscribe and stay tuned for more. If you find it interesting, see you guys around, and also donate using the link in the description. It will be highly appreciable and helpful for our channel. See you guys around in the next video.